Welcome back to the channel again, and today let's claim our daily combo on pixelverse, pixeltap by pixelverse. So the first thing we want to do is to launch our bot, open our bot, claim our daily file that has been mined for us. The next thing is to go to rewards. Under daily combo, click on play. Now the first card for today is this. The second card for the day is this. The third card for the day is this. And the last card for the day is this. With this, guys, we click on check. Completion 100%. We claim our rewards. We also go back down to daily rewards and we claim it. And guys, like I always say, don't forget to carry out the tax on this tax session so that we can earn more coins and strategically position ourselves to get more coins when the airdrop is launched. Also, guys, look at the video at the top and also click how to strategically position yourself well to do all the tasks that is needed for you to collect and claim this airdrop. I don't want any of you to miss out on this airdrop. So guys, if you have found value in this video, like, subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you can receive an update when we drop the next video.